What's up, friends? All right, we're gonna do a very fast fall look with Savvy Minerals, slash a very fast also going out the door kind of look for nighttime. So nice, so pretty, love it. All right, so my face is already clean, it's ready to go. And I did do my brows, which is a different video. I'll tag that in the comments. But we're gonna go in right now with my hydrating primer. I like looking very hydrated. What's on my hand? What's on my hand? What did I touch? I touched something. Great. All right. Hydrating primer, it's all you need, girl. This primer is amazing. I really like the formula. I wear it on its own as a moisturizer sometimes. It's beautiful. Such a good formula. They did a really good job with this one. I wasn't really crazy about the original formula of the mattifying primer, but I think it's more that I just don't like looking matte. It's just not my thing. It's okay. All right, so hydrating, done. Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit on my lids. Tap, tap, tap. Be gentle with your eyelids, please. All right, and I'm gonna just go in with our bronzer, Summer Lovin'. It's gonna go on my, I have it a little bit on my, the lid right here. And we're just gonna put it into my crease. So pretty. This is also a no foundation look. I don't really care about foundation. And my skin has gotten so much better since I've been using the Art System and the Young Living Orange Blossom System. But I don't need it. It's crazy. I had so much redness and it's all gone now. You don't need a lot, guys. You just need to warm up your eyes. That's it. Cool. All right. I'll go in with the Young Living mascara. All right, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I hate the wand on this thing. I have like no lashes, so when I use this, well, one, my eyes don't itch afterwards, which I really appreciate since I think I'm allergic to something in regular mascara. But then I have to use a spoolie afterwards to like separate them because they kind of clump up. But you know, I've definitely shared my feelings with Young Living and been like, hey guys, could you just like change the spoolie? That would be phenomenal. Thank you. Like you have to just like put one layer on, because if you try to go in with 2 layers, things get clumpy. And actually it came out really well. I actually don't have to use a spoolie. That's crazy. I guess I'm getting used to this wand as I've been using it more and more. Like always, I'm only talking about stuff I love. I won't talk about the stuff I don't like. Or if I do tell you that the stuff I don't like. That's not true. All right, so eyes are done. Done zeal. I mean, we can go in with the Mineral Veil. This highlighter is so freaking pretty. Like some people use this all over your face. I don't know that. No. It's super like incandescent. Iridescent? Incandescent? How do you say that? Iridescent? I don't know how to say that. I don't know. I'm going with a brush and I'm just gonna put some on my inner corner because I am a sucker for an inner corner highlight. Look how pretty. It's so stinking pretty. I'm like a fish. I'm like a beautiful fish. And we're done. Calm down, Alison. Don't get crazy with the highlighter. All right, and so then let's apply some blush really quick. So I use, my favorite blush from them is, oh, this is Smashing. It is my favorite. It's so freaking pretty. A nice fluffy brush. I love this brush. A little bit on my lid, like always. Get it in there. Tap and swirl. Tap and swirl, girls. I'm dewy. If I'm like feeling a little bit excited, I'll take a little bit with the same brush I was using earlier, and I'll put it in my outer corner right here, and it like makes my eyes lifted. It's so cool. Like what? Just a little, like a little bit, okay? You gotta be just like gentle with this. What? Like eye lift, hello. All right, so that's done, that's done. Is that everything? Oh yeah, I think that's everything. That was it. That's the end of the whole look. And then I'm gonna go on my lipstick. This is Siren. Oh, so this is a fall look, so I'm going with a bold lip porque I can. I mean, what? It's so creamy. And close and misting spray. And I'm out. What's on my hand? Like obviously. That's it, girls. Now you're ready to vamp it up. What is vamp? No, you're not ready to vamp. It would be like a lot more layers of makeup for that. Love it.